Welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome. It's time for me to program. Okay, don't. Gotta stop just trying to talk in time with the songs because it never works for me. Oh, I'm doing it again, and I will stop. Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to programming. How are we all doing today? Because I am looking forward to all the stuff I've got going on. Oh god, most of it's bug fixes. No, there's only one bug fix, a couple of making things better that I kind of half-assed putting in, and adding some of the main features. Yeah, I've actually made a list of things to do for today. So, welcome, it me. Shit, hold on. God, you're such a fucking idiot. Oh shit, hold on, my mic's on, I can't whisper to myself. Okay, sorry. Oh, shit, my collar got twisted. Right, hold on. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Well then. 3, 2, 1, and welcome everyone back to my stream where I do programming. Well, today I'm doing programming. It's not always programming. Sometimes it's other things. Sometimes I play games. Sometimes I make one. Today is the latter. I'm making a game and it's going to be awesome. So without further hesitation, that's just OBS. And where's my camera? That is my camera. So, today, programming. I have a... Hold on, you know what? I have a list of things. I forgot that my camera's inverted. You can't see what the list says. But trust me, there's a list of things. It's on paper this time, so I don't need to close chat to read it. And that is the stuff we're going to be doing today. Starting with the second item on the list. Why the second item? Because that's actually the most pressing thing. I just kind of forgot about it. And that thing is the... Where is it? Sorry, hold on. I know exactly what it is. I'm just changing something to prove what it is. Oh my god. Yeah, I have a whole load of things open. There it is. Oh, that doesn't need to be open. I just refresh this. Watch in the middle. Boom. Do you see that? Instant replay. Actually, not instant, but look. Enemies can walk through walls, and that is a problem. There we go. Also, don't mind the sword in the corner of the screen. I was testing some things out. Okay, but now what we're doing is going to try to fix... Something doesn't sound right there grammatically. Ow. Ow, okay, one of my toes hurts. Good to know. So, we have got to figure out why enemies are able to just walk through walls. You know, just straight up ignore the fact that they have a pathfinding grid that they're meant to use. Hang on, I wonder if I were to... I just need to do a quick thing. Refresh, please. Thank you. Okay. I just want to test. Something, hold on, okay, so if we say here, what's this? 3600 3600 to 200. And I'm just going to make sure that's actually inside the map. Okay, 3600 and 2. and 2000. Okay. Let's see. One of those AIs in the main test cell. No, it's not there. It's that. No. No, that's just the entities. It is this one. There we go. Or was it 3600? Yeah, 3600 and 2000. Hang on. See, that one should have a different way of reaching the... It shouldn't have to go through walls, but it still does. Which means there's a check somewhere where it's checking if a straight line can be drawn to the player, but ignoring walls. So, let's check every one of these. Entity. No, it's not entity, it is artificial intelligence. Why do I hear boss music? Nightmare King, just this once go away, please. There we go. Okay, so choose goal. That... Wait, no, we start in its main pathfinding function. So, switch mode, it will be an H mode, I believe. Because H is for... You're dead, lol. No, H is for hostile, I believe, or heuristics. I don't remember. Basically, it's where it's tracking the player. So, okay. So first, it chooses the goal, which is this function up here. In this function, it doesn't choose a random goal. It sets goal at player. And then, for every thing on the grid, it sorts the grid by it finds which node is nearest to the player. Okay, yeah, that all makes sense and works still. Basically, it sets its goal on the player's coordinates. It then sorts every node on the pathfinding grid by how far it is from the player, finds the closest one where there aren't any walls in between, and once there aren't any walls, it will return it here, and that becomes what's set as the final node. Final node later gets pushed to the end of its pathfinding queue. Hold on, I just want to put the other one. Oh my god, how many things do I have open? Let's just put one of them at a position that is... We want to make sure they're both inside this, otherwise it will just break once it's working. Because if they're outside the map, then, you know, they'll just crash. Hopefully they'll crash. Which sounds counterintuitive, but we want them to crash because that means they can't find a path. Okay. Yep, this checks. Actually, every place it does this console.log. There we go, okay. And we need only one AI, otherwise this will get confusing, so we want to comment out this one. I just want to see. Here it found a straight... Wait, why the fuck is... Oh wait, no, that's just an entity, okay. So... Interesting, it is immediate that it finds that straight path. Which makes no sense because... Hold on, if we just load up the pathfinding test, where is it? That part is also exactly the same in pathfinding test. So let's just find path. No, AI find path. Yep, this is while path found equals 0. No, wait, where is it? Full pathfinding is apparently its own thing. Okay, here. If it's 0, fall at eye of walls into things. Now, okay, we don't need that open anymore. This. So here, if we inspect the elements, please, thank you, console, refresh. See, it's not always finding straight paths. So it's kind of how mesmerizing it is to just watch this thing figure out its way around. And yes, that is the same map we're using here. So if we just if we comment that out, yeah, that seems syntactically correct for what I want it to do. Okay, so if If it has a path, follow it. Where else does it check? Find first node. No, it's not there. Find path. Is this it? No. Okay, that bit doesn't check for that job. No, that's not it. Doesn't check the player there. Follow path. Ah, here. And if we just delete this, or just temporarily comment out this first shortcut check, I believe that's it. It's now no longer going to do that, and it broke. Grid is not defined at line 504. Why is it not defined? And where is it? Hang on, this is interesting. So full path binding. Okay, anyway, yeah, what was it? 504. Well, just here. 504. Ah, grid. Current cell.grid. Oh no. Why did it fill it out with angle up down? Okay, there's another one. 513. Come on. Oh yes, there we go. Okay, it's actually fixed itself now. And it still tracks towards the player like this. Now if we just hide behind a wall, what should happen is that it just goes through the wall, of course. Yeah, I set the player's jump height ridiculously high for this test. Hold on. What did it do? Oh, it just kind of went through the wall again, did it? Oh, where's it going? Hold on, this is interesting. Where does it think it's going? Okay, fascinating thing is that it's not crashed yet. Oh my god, okay, it figured out a way through. How the hell did it do that? Okay, where'd it go? Oh no, it's still... You know what? We need to make it so the player can look straight down. Hold on. Player... controls. Angle up, down. And maybe make it so we're just always floating. Hold on. How would I do that? Draw game. Player dot. Wait, did I just delete a close? I did. Okay. There we go. Now it should always register you as above the walls. Yes, it does. Okay, good. Okay, so at first it's able to find its path to you normally. It's still tracking to my previous position because it doesn't have line of sight. Then it does that. It's calculated my position again. And it's found the nearest node to me. And then it's gone to that node, and then it's... Oh, okay, hold on. And then if we were to resume right now... Okay, it's got line of sight, so it's continuing to track on me. If I do this, it goes... If I go like this... It lost line of sight, so now it's going to the nearest node to me, then it's going towards me. Oh my god, I've figured out the problem. Hold on, I wonder if I were to test the pathfinding test. Let's just see. If we remove the possibility that it could... If we allow it to spawn outside, if we allow its goal to go outside of the map, hang on, how did we calculate? I forgot how we checked if the thing was outside the grid. Oh, right, it just... Okay, if we just skip that, return nodes... No, return... I have a feeling that it just... Where does it calculate? This dot find path. Hang on, find path. Path dot push this dot goal. Okay. But then it would be find path finds the first node and last node, does it? Hang on, wait, no. We can go to full path finding. It's so if it's not got a path yet, it will check. Find path dot. Okay, so it finds the first node, then it, because the final node was found earlier, so we need to go this dot choose goal. Choose goal is the problem. I see the problem. Basically, it's just going, yeah, okay, we've checked all the walls. We've got rid of, basically it's going, we've got rid of every node except this one. It has to be this one that the player is closest to, despite the fact that there's a wall in the way. So let's say hypothetically we push this dot goal as 430 350 on the pathfinding test. It breaks. Why does it break there but not here? Hang on, if I just do something here. There we go, it's crashed. Okay. The problem is logic here. Hang on. So if the wall's base is below the entity's head, and the base plus the height, so the top of the wall is higher than the top of the entity. Hang on. Then it should remove the node. Hang on, so if we uncomment this, and then just sort of close that off and remove some logic. Oh right, it's frozen. Oh, this may take a while. It's trying to wait till it's reached the end of an endless loop before it refreshes. So I'm just going to have to go. Hello? Thank you. Okay, localhost 8080. And now theoretically we should it should crash once it reaches there somewhere. Oh, hold on, what's it doing? Oh no, it just phased through the wall again. Okay. Interesting. Pause that. Ah fuck, hold on, stop checking Discord, you idiot. Okay, so and we know that intersect check works, we've run it so many times. That's checking if the line between the player and the entity collides with the line that is the wall. So that did nothing, changing that. Unreachable code? How's that unreachable? Oh, I'm missing... I mean, I've got too many brackets. Okay, I'm just going to run a quick thing. If this... Just going to get it to say hi to us. It phased through the wall again. Okay, great. But at least now it's capable of losing line of sight, which is good. Don't know why I pressed jump there. Hold on, there's a bug. Okay. Of course there's a bug. This is your fucking bug fixing time. Can't believe I actually just said, hey, there's a bug, while I'm trying to fix literally that bug. Hang on, I just realised, is that even... This part is redundant, given that it's going to check it right down here anyway, in follow up. Yeah, we can get rid of it here. Which means this is probably redundant as well. Where's shift tab? There we go. There we go, it's tracking me perfectly until I go here. Then it's going to follow all the way to where I was, and then phase through the fucking wall. Hang on. Was there something I changed up here somewhere? Hold on. Choose goal. Oh yeah, if we get rid of this, somehow it works. Yeah, there wasn't any. No, I didn't create any new errors. Looked like it did. Okay, see this? It's very good. It's able to find onto us, and then if we go through this wall here, what happens? It fucking it follows us still. How? It broke. It just broke. Okay. Oh, god damn it, it's broken again. What do you mean no internet? Okay, good. It's doing normal pathing. It's currently not found direct line of sight with us. It's still... Okay, no, now it has. And it's walking straight towards us. Oh, hold on. I got caught on one. Move. Okay, here it is. It's still following us properly. Then we go through here. What happens? It phases. Why does it phase through? It makes no sense. Then if we were to go here... It breaks. Okay. Good, good. That's what it should do. And it didn't. Intersect check still has the same logic, right? Intersect check returns true. Yeah, that's if they collide, and it returns false if they don't. That makes sense. Okay. So there's okay, I'm getting confused. What could the problem possibly be? I don't know. Actually, I have an idea. This dot goal equals mouse x, mouse y. Let's run it in this. Oh shoot, that's another. It's another infinite loop. Yeah, okay, you can just get closed. We'll just open it from the file explorer. It's still broken. Why is it still broken? Oh, because, yeah, okay. Ugh, I'm an idiot. And then it crashes if it reaches the same place as its goal. Okay, you know what? Fuck, that's not working. Oh yeah, I remember that. It crashed when it reached the same position as its goal. Actually, theoretically, if I put us back on the ground... back here in... hang on, where's... oh wait, that's the wrong file. Oh god. Got worried because most of our setup function was missing. But now it's just me being stupid and in the wrong file. Okay, player... put us back to our normal height. And stop forcing us to be floating in air. There we go, normal height, okay. Okay, where is it? There it is. If I were to just move to here, where's it going to come from? Through the wall or around the wall? Yes, well done. Well done, my child. And yeah, theoretically, in real gameplay, it should never have a chance to phase through a wall. That's not it phasing. They just cut corners really well. I wonder, has it actually killed me yet? Yeah, it had. You know what, that's another thing I need to put on my list. Death. Because currently your health just kind of continues into negative numbers. That thing's also dead. It just doesn't switch sprites, so... There we go. Player can die on the to-do list. Oh, and my computer is making a worrying noise, so we just pause. No, that's not going to do anything. Just go to here. Computer, shut up. Hey, whoop. No, no. No, where is it? Just a second. Okay, cool. So if I'm just going to officially mark the entity wall hack off my list. Because now they crash when they can't reach you at all, and occasionally they phase through walls if you phase through a wall too. Which is kind of fair. However, this may pose some issues in the future with... hold on. Could pose an issue potentially with levels that have height changes, but it's fine. Also, sorry for just turning off my display capture. I was just checking some things on Discord. Okay, and my computer's stopped literally humming now. Although we can, let's just do a mega jump here. Oh wait, that thing's dead. It won't be doing any pathfinding soon. A new bug just dropped. If you fall down too close to a wall, you get stuck in it. Boom, teleported. Except, okay, if you switch between cells while jumping or falling, it doesn't set your height properly. Right then, and the next thing, well, the first thing on our list is actually something that, just a little shortcut I took way back at the start of this project. In the rendering for walls and floors, what they did, instead of actually using a sprite sheet, they just used a solid color just for simplicity reasons. Oh god, that's not the right thing. So see these walls? They had a color variable, and I never stopped that. Okay. So we need to make it so that they no longer take a color, they just take an image. So if I can figure out where it is, it's literally right here, you blind idiot. That was rude, me. Yeah, I know, shut up. We can just replace this with texture, this dot texture, get rid of the color. And I just realised it will be something we can fix quickly. Theoretically, it broke. Coloring properties of undefined. Oh, okay, hold on. Maybe don't try to fix two bugs at the same time. These don't have a texture yet. Got texture equals texture. And then we just change it in when they're being set up here. No, that's entities. That's floors. Walls is here. And just to save time, instead of... No, that's stupid. Instead of setting these things to stone, we just replace it with... What is it? Brick. Control F. Replace stone with brick. It should be everywhere. Replace all, there we go. Hopefully nothing breaks because of that. Something broke because of that. Let brick, why is... Hold on, why is it being grumpy here? Oh, because we initiated this stone colour up here, but we replaced it with brick. Yes, I want to continue listening, you stupid. Okay, there is no longer any bugs. Now, okay, good. Yeah, we jump really high, I get it. And okay, good, it fixed. Good, boom. Just fixed some bugs. And and fixed a lazy workaround I'd made earlier. So now, hypothetically, we can change a couple of these to tall wall. I believe that's what it's called, tall wall? Tall wall, okay. Let's just change that one, you should notice it. That thing has a different texture. Pardon me, sorry. And we didn't even need to have that stupid if statement. But now we just need to do the same thing for floors. Replace the color with texture. Render texture should be this dot texture, and now we just replace with brick. Oh, most of those aren't actually the color red. Okay, replace that one. Is that the right thing? Yes, that is the right thing. You know, these ones need to be part of the level. Let's make them part of the level. And that's it. Cool. There's now some mysterious things here from previous testings. Yep, that's great. This also raises an issue we need to fix at some point. Your head pokes through floors. Okay, and you can kill enemies through floors. So you can poke your head through the floor, which is an issue. Or you can poke your head through ceilings, rather. Oh, computer's humming again. Okay, very minor bug as well, I just noticed. Okay, computer, shut up. And next thing, we'll add these bugs to the end of the list later. Okay, we've done that first thing on the list. Expand entity animation controls. Okay, cool. Next one is relatively simple. We need to have things change when they die. Oh god. So, entity, render, switch. Where's the break on this one? Aha, okay. Break. Case. things. D for dead, because apparently I can never just use full fucking words. Image. I just need to get some references. No, that's not right. This dot sprite sheet. At all these coordinates stay the same. And then these ones do not, because this needs to use the file open the development imp. We need to take its death. We need to go from one. Okay, hold on. X of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. Okay. Oh, hold on. No, it's sprite width times no plus 5. Sets its frame. Yep. And then the sprite height. Okay, yes. That's right, and then it just uses the theoretically now, when something dies, it could actually break, so there's just something else we need to fix. In the AI, we're not using them to properly register as dead. Or we're not using the AI to control the animations currently. Currently things need to start at idle. And then the AI needs to actively change that, so full pathfinding. HP, no, if, okay, we already had the if it's below health die. And, oh hold on, no, this dot. Hang on, is it current cell dot objects this dot linked entity dot animation equals dead if its health is below 0. And then on the final node, hold on, no, it's if it's following the player, it needs to become W mode. There we go. Now that should work. No, it shouldn't, because there's still a thing missing. Equals, it needs to be on frame 0. If this dot frame equals 0, nope, is less than, hang on, how many frames is the death animation? 1, 2, 3. So if it's less than 2, yes. There you go, that one's no longer animating, but it's standing still. Now let's see. Okay, good, you're walking. If I kill you, you're perpetually stuck at that frame. Oh no. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 boom. You can't die because you don't have an AI. Okay, good. You are still alive as expected, and we kill you. So its frame is perpetually stuck at 0, it seems. Oh no, hold on, it advanced the frame. It advanced... Oh god, well, no, stop game. I mean computer, I don't want to do that. Hold on. We need to see what its frame is. For some reason it's only advancing the frame when the game pauses, and then it's unadvancing it when it isn't. Oh, hold on, I figured it out. Every frame, it's seeing that its HP is less than 0, and then it's resetting the animation. So if we just make it so it only checks if it's alive. It checks if it's alive and its health is below 0, it makes it dead. That. Now, it's time for someone to die. Again. Nope, it didn't work. Oh, no, it advances the frames there because it's no longer running the pathfinding. See, now why is it setting it back to H again? I just want to go console.log I am dead. And it should only do melee checks if it's alive, but I just need to check. What does melee check do? Oh yeah, it does only do that. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Part of it is forcing it to go into tracking mode anyway. So we just need to put a little thing here. Things you do when you're not dead. Why do I keep putting plus instead of equals? And then close that off. Now they should die properly. Oh my god, never have I killed the same thing so many times. There we go. And now it's just constantly telling us it's dead. How very nice of it. And now we just tweak it so it dies slower, maybe. And what's the longest death? Okay, the longest death animation is it exploding into a puddle of goo, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames long. Now watch this, we just kind of we now possess the power to look at something and it will just spontaneously combust. Are you ready? What can I say? I'm just that powerful in this game. Okay, good, this isn't the 15-minute long song. Right then. That is expanded. Maybe make the animation a tiny bit slower. Next up is refine combat, which means we need to add a weapon variable. I mean a weapon class. So, since it's been about an hour, I'm going to take a short break. And I will see you in a minute. You still get to enjoy the music though, guys, da da da. And we are back on air. Sorry, the break was so long. Shit happened. But now, we are back in this. Yeah. And what is this? Why, it's only... Actually, it is only one small thing. I've decided, due to time constraints, that we're just going to make a weapon class and all its considerations, and then finish up the stream. So, let us begin. Class, weapon. It needs to have a constructor, naturally, with, okay, let's see, damage, sprite sheet, what else? Oh yeah, also needs to have attack frames. Or, you know what, AF, how many frames its animation takes. And then sprite sizes, because of a little thing where if I just go down here to the UI, image sword sprite, no, 1020. If I just make it so this, oh, okay, blur, getting my things in the wrong order. This sprite is a 16:9 image, intended to fill the entire screen, just to make sure there's no, just to make sure everything's accounted for. But if you scale it up to the entire screen, it's drawing a load of blank pixels, like a load more than is necessary, and it causes the game hella frame drops. As you can see, it's currently at an average of 15 frames there. And then let's just make it so it draws tiny again. We're getting up around 30, which is great. So what we need to do is have each sprite, let's say we have it like this, we have this for its idle, and then another one where it's like this, and then it's sort of like another thing. It's kind of hard to do like this, but then basically we split it up, and each one has a defined width. Like, it's just the sprites have a defined width, so it can draw them more efficiently. Like, each sprite on the sheet has its own separate width. So, for the reason I just specified. And is there anything else that needs to be done? Not right now, actually. Oh, we also need to add an attack into the AI. Okay, so in its full pathfinding, we just want it so that they're actually no. Wait, yes we do. Let's just assign them a weapon instead of a set damage. and then into the setup. Do 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 do. AIs. Oh yeah, there's only one AI now. Instead of that, we need just. I know that's not a thing yet, but we're going to just create a new thing called the default sword. And we're going to define it here somewhere. Default sword. Oh, if I could spell it properly. Equals new weapon. This is going to be the same thing that the player uses. Damage, colon. Note damage is going to be 4. Sprite sheet of sword sprite. Attack frames of. We haven't done that part yet. We'll just set it as 4-2, I guess. And sprite size is blank. Since the first one is all that matters. The first and this one are all that matters for the enemy. There we go, okay. Oh, and since we have an attack frames, we need a damage frame. Specifically, which frame it actually damages the things on. Actually, no, we don't. I don't think the specific damage frame is necessary. And there are also some other things we could potentially add at a later date for this, such as display names and values and stuff, like monetary value if we get that far. Now, where's melee? Is melee check this? Yes, okay. Okay, so if it's able to attack the player, it will. Hang on. That's not checking for a shortcut, that is. Hang on. Range. Okay, there we go. And we're going to add a. What would it be? It would be an. No, we don't. It doesn't need to be constructed. It's just going to be auto constructed as 0. It's going to be this dot attack frame equals 0. Basically, we need to track how long their attack is, so the damage will match up with things. Oh yes, we do need the damage frame, otherwise things will still continually damage. And this also is missing attack frames. It doesn't actually have an attack animation. It has a damaged animation, or it has a damaged frame where it will sort of like stagger, like go and then return to normal, but it doesn't have an attacking one. Oh, damn it, there's things piling up. This is getting complicated. And it is getting late, so in typical me fashion, I've changed my mind. I'm not going to end it like I would usually do. Let's get this working for the player, but for the player we need more shit. God, this is difficult. Okay. No, we're refining this combat. So, first we need a... So, what I was doing for the swords, how I'm drawing the swords, is using a 3D model of a sword, capturing it from different angles to look like it's in a swing or something. And then just drawing that as the sprite. So if I just print screen this, yeah, that's it. That's going to be it. Swinging, the first frame swinging. There we go. There we go, and select that. Blimey, that's big. We need to Control Shift resize and add an extra to the width. We'll sort out the optimizing later. Da da da. Ooh. Keep canvas size. We just shrink the sword so it matches up properly. We also are going to need a pink and black layer. There we go. Oh, for God's sake. There we go, thank you. Now we just keep the canvas as it's sized. We want the sword like this. It needs to be slightly smaller actually. It needs to look like it's going out from you, so the perspective needs to be like kind of weird. Dun dun dun. Oh god. And yeah, it is going to just be floating. I'm not going to bother making it look like you're holding it yet. I'll bother with that at some point maybe. So just crop this down. Oh god, okay, hold on. Wasn't expecting this to be the song that was playing right there. Boom, boom, boom. And then we want this back. We want anti-aliasing so it looks nice and smooth. Come on. Okay, just some very fine tweaks. There you go, I think that looks good. Dum bum. Okay, good. No, we don't want to save it there. Add another 320, so that's 960. And then we're just going to cut this sort of short. It's just going to go straight to a frame where it's right in front of you. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, you might have made that too big. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of wasted space within these sprites. So that's going to be fixed once we've got them fully working. Here. And yes, it might sound counterintuitive, but they can be fully working with the inefficient sprites, and then we can tweak it, because the rendering of them and the actual usage of them are independent of one another. There we go. Nice and smooth. No. Now this needs to be saved as development sword 1. And then new. Yep, that's good. Boom. Sword. Yes, we want to overwrite it. And then, okay. This now needs to be changed to 2 attack frames because it only has 2. And player attack frame needs to exist. Hang on, did I add a thing to the actual weapon? Needs a specific damage frame for the cooldown. No, not. Oh my god, no. I want calm music again. That's better. Okay. Default sword needs a damage frame of 1, 0. there we go, 1, because I think we're going to need just this once to have a frame start at... We're going to need to have a count starting at 1. It will just make things easier the way I'm picturing this. Okay, so and this dot attacking equals false. Hang on, no, that's the AI we need in the... We need it in the player. I thought I just added that, but apparently not. And this dot attacking. And we also need to replace the damage with weapon. The music's definitely paused. Thought so. Okay, so attack check. First things first, attack check, where is it run? Just here, okay. If mouse is pressed and player dot attacking equals false. No, equals false. I know how to do operations in this language. Hold on, this is going to work slightly differently. It's going to just change it to say yes, the player is attacking. So player dot, no, that's not what I asked for. Player dot attacking equals true. Okay, now here, if player dot attacking equals true, player dot attack and attack frame is less than or equal to player dot weapon dot attack frames. No, it's AF. Oh god. Then what it does is advances the player's attack frame. Then it checks if player dot attack, if it's on the frame where the weapon should do damage. And it will then take away hang on. Oh fuck. This changes everything. If mouse is pressed, it always needs to trigger the attack animation. so this is all wrong. Just needs to, so if the player clicks and they're not attacking, it makes them attacking. If they are attacking, it will move them along the player. It will move them along the animation for the attack. And if, let's see, and okay, I know how to do this. Interact check variable equals player dot attack check. And then if there is something that can be damaged, hang on, wait, what's they're going to return? Wait, I actually forgot what it returns, hold on. Attack check. Okay, we just need to go if attack check 1. If no, wait, we can remove the true because we've changed how this works. We just need to return I or false. If interact check variable is not equal to false, it will go minus it will take away the minus equals player dot weapon dot damage. If the player's attack frame is greater than the amount of frames that the player has that the weapon's animation has, it will reset it to 0 and make the player not attacking anymore. Then we just need to mess with something in the UI. There we go, okay. Why is there an error on this line here? Oh, there's an accidental thing. And we're just... No, okay, cool, this should work. No. This, there we go. Strange. This. So, it's currently not animating. Okay. It's not registering that they can attack. The player doesn't have a dot weapon. I'm an idiot. Okay, good thing I caught that quickly. Wait, which thing is it? Weapon is the last thing in the constructor, so we just need to change that to Death Sword. This 5 here. Okay. This is broken. Hold on. What could be the issue here? I know exactly what the issue here is, I think. Yes, I do. This should be 320. There you go. Now it's stuck in the last frame. Now, here we go. Okay, that bit shouldn't need to be there. And that shouldn't have auto-corrected to texture. That should work still the same. I want to fix it so you don't be constantly swinging if you hold down the mouse. I want to make it so you can let go. Why do you feel so short? Oh, because I'm slightly floating because I stood on this. Hold on. There we go. Swing. There we go. Oh my god, we actually... I wonder... We now need to make it so that it registers that it's got hit. How do we do that? Hang on, do they continue the walking animation once they're in range of you for melee? Swing, 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 swing. I mean, maybe if we increase the amount of frames on the attack, it wouldn't look like that anymore. Yeah, it continues walking. But hey, the player's health no longer... Wait, why has the player's health stopped underflowing? Okay, that's actually strange. It disappears the moment... Because it breaks, because it's trying to take away a variable that doesn't exist from it. Hang on, just a quick confirmation of that theory. Here we go, we're at 100 health. Yeah, then it goes to a Nan type. Okay. Well, we refined combat, we fixed some bugs, and I'm going to end it here for now. For the evening, the night, whatever. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please follow if you haven't already, subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, join the Discord for all sorts of community stuff. I love you all very, very much, and I will see you next time. Bye! Forgot to turn my camera off. God damn it, I cut my bye short. See ya.